What I can say about this friendly match is that they have good services, the jump service that has helped us a lot. They have tough services that have helped this team also a lot to receive, and they have good defense on the net. So that has challenged us, and we were, at least the ladies have tried very best to their best to pass through that defense. So we are good now, and are likely to do better in the Olympics. What I need from these players is just to give 100% of their performance. They give 100% each one of them give 100% of the performance. I would be very happy. If that 100% make us win, well and good. That's what I need. That's 100% performance. If you get that, everybody gives 100%, we are likely to make an impact in this championship.